Today is day 18. Y'all, do you realize that after today, there's only 18 days till Christmas? Wait, 10 days till Christmas?
No. It's like a week.
6 days till Christmas?
About a week.
Wow. I'm kind of thinking I probably ought to buy some Christmas presents. Hey, where's your nopes at?
My nopes?
There you go. He says nope. I shouldn't buy Christmas presents.
Incorrect. You mean my notes?
No. Nope.
Start writing.
Nope.
Nope.
What is this? His Christmas wish list? Y'all, we are working our way through this Lego City Advent calendar. We are on day 18.
Nope.
It is my turn to open this package up and build something really cool.
Nope. It's not.
Don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he's saying.
It's not cool.
It has been very cool. I'm enjoying playing with the Legos because I've always wanted some Legos, and I've got some now. We'll be right back. All right, so day 18. Day 18 is, let's see, 20, 24, 22, 23, 22, 21. My turn. 18.
Nope.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Try again. No. What is that?
Another thing that we have no clue about?
Is that a friggin'
It's a workshop.
Oh.
It's a toy workshop.
Okay. I guess it could be Santa's workshop, huh?
Oh, toy workstation.
Now, it's got several little pieces here. And
I managed to lodge the instructions.
okay, so and so and so. Wow. I'm pretty sure these two pieces go on the bottom. And then we've got a work table here, so these go here and here. Ha ha ha! Rocking it now. Yes, I am. That goes here. And those pieces go there. Wait, there's a rubber ducky on my workbench? Okay. And then I've got, looks like a sledgehammer to work on the rubber ducky with. That rubber ducky's not going to last. And then, what is that, a spear? Don't know what that is, but it goes right there. So I've done my workbench, and then on the other side
It's a chisel.
Okay. All right, I can see that.
That makes sense.
So this.
No, it's a paintbrush.
Okay.
Now build the boat. Now.
Build the boat. I'm struggling with how to build the boat. It's the real. How do those pieces? Wait a minute. That goes like.
Nope.
That goes like.
Both pieces are right side up.
I got this.
Yep.
And then has to go one way or the other. There we go. And then a yellow thing there. So I actually built two things today. Now why does it have a hole through the middle? Stick the spike through? I don't know. But I built a workbench with a rubber ducky on it and maybe a toy boat. Don't know. But that is it for today. I've really enjoyed trying to figure out what I'm building. Yes, I know. It's your turn tomorrow, Dave. I have to wait 2 more days before I get to play again.
Nope.
More or less?
Nope.
It's got to be one or the other.
Nope.
Yep.
Incorrect.
Well,
Nope.
Triangle.
Square.
circle,
Wrong.
right?
Dodecahedron.
I don't know what he's been possessed with, but it could be bad.
Correct.
One of those Christmas
Nope.
spirits. Huh? Okay, this has been day 18. I'm DIY Dave. No, I'm just Dave. This is DIY Dave and Company. And they're the company. I'm Dave.
I'm Nick. Bye.
We appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you tomorrow right here. Same time, same place.
Carter.
What?
I'm Carter.
Carter?
Okay, I think I'm just.
Oh
leave.
boy. It's time to go. Bye y'all.
Bye.